Discover the future of adaptable spaces with Titan. Titan walls are the latest innovation from Fellows, designed to give you ultimate freedom, not just for how you create your space today, but for how you can change and adapt it in the future. Titan's modular design focuses on adaptability. The core of this adaptability comes from cleverly engineered common components. Titan utilizes a universal track system and brackets. This means you can transform your space quickly and easily without the need for major construction or retooling. All of our trim components allow the user to add or remove glass panels without changing the underlying wall structure. So, if you need a little extra privacy, switching from a single to a dual pane is extremely simple. Speaking of trim, Titan offers several interchangeable trim profiles in a variety of colors and finishes, giving you a wide spectrum of design variations and options. Want a minimalistic look? Choose the low profile option, or choose to stand out with an accented look. Either way, making changes or adapting your aesthetic in the future is quick and, most importantly, cost-effective. From start to finish, we are here for you. Fellows has streamlined the process to make your experience smooth and seamless. Consultation, design, project management, installation, and post-installation support. 5 simple steps to bring your vision to life. And we know sustainability matters. Titan is made from recyclable materials, so you can refresh your space with minimal waste. Smart design isn't just adaptable, it's sustainable too. Plus, we stand by the durability of our products with a lifetime warranty. Invest once and enjoy peace of mind knowing your space is equipped with walls built to last. Titan Walls brings your most ambitious spaces to life with the adaptability, sustainability, and precision that modern architecture demands.